So the first step is to apply a moisturizer. I'm using this L'Oreal Hydra Fresh Anti-Ox Moisturizer. I'll put it all over my face and then I'll blend it with my fingers. Now I'll keep it for 5 minutes so my moisturizer gets well absorbed into my skin. Now we'll move on to the second step, which is this sugar foundation, and this is the drop down base serum foundation. It comes with a dropper and the shade 10 latte. I'll keep it very simple. I'm not using too much foundation on my skin. Then I'll take this wet beauty blender and I'll blend it nicely. I'll also put some to my neck so that my face doesn't look different as compared to my neck. So I'll blend it very evenly to my skin. So it's done. Now the third step, I'll not use the concealer today because it's a very simple no makeup look. So I'll use the same foundation and apply it to my under eyes to cover some spots and the blemishes. If you don't want, you can skip this step and you can keep it really simple, but I'm using it to highlight a little bit. It will give you a natural look, a very natural look, as you can see. It's done. Now I'm moving on to my brows, and for my brows I'm using a spoolie to brush my hair and give it a shape. Now I'll take this Maybelline brow pencil. It's brown color, and I'll give little strokes to my eyebrows and I'll keep it very natural. So it's done. It's perfectly done. The second one is also done. And now I'll take this Maybelline Dream Satin P01 Beige Compact, and I'll take this dry beauty blender and I'll just dab onto my skin, my under eyes, and a little bit to my forehead and to my other areas of the skin, especially the T-zones. Now I'll take this brush and dust off the excess if it's there on my face. I'll keep this look very simple because it's a no makeup look, so it's a everyday wear look. Now I'll use this L'Oreal mascara. So even if you're not using a kajal, it's very important that you use a mascara for your no makeup look because it makes a huge difference, just the way it's doing now. So apply the mascara to our lower lashes as well and just see how well does it make the difference. Now for blush, I'll use lipstick from Masaba. I'm not using a proper blush today. I'm using a lipstick because I want to show you that how with minimum products you can create a very good look. So for my lips, I'll use the same lipstick from Masaba. It's in the shade Raw. Done. Now I'll take the small dots for my ears, and with that I complete this no makeup look. This is the final look.
I'm feeling high. I'm feeling
I hope you like this no makeup look. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.